If you're thinking about buying a brand new home in Florida, I got a 31-page lawsuit that may change your mind. If you bought a home in Florida in recent years and you dealt with Lennar, D.R. Horton in Florida, KB Home, Dream Finders, NVR, Ryan Homes, Meritage Homes, MI Homes, or Toll Brothers, you could be a part of this lawsuit. Here's what's going on. One of our readers, one of our watchers, actually sent me this in the mail, this lawsuit. And you know me, I'm just going to tell it like it is. I want you to avoid the pitfalls that are costly. This doesn't affect me in any way, but it's going to help you possibly. So it's a large-scale electrical fraud on brand new spanking homes that were built all across Florida in recent years. Here's what's going on. They claim that it's victimized 35,000 plus homeowners over the years. It's not just new construction, but it's construction that's happened in years past. I've got this lawsuit, I read it over. Strada Electrical Services, they're an electrical contractor that worked for all those builders, right? That I just mentioned. They had a conduct that was not permissible, and it was at scale for years. Why? It was cheaper for them to do this. You've heard me say this before on this channel, cutting corners, watch out. It's what you know, right? So, what they have is new homes that were built all across Florida in electrical systems. If you go outside and you look at your electrical system, there's a box there. Usually it has a braided wire and it's copper and it goes down into the ground. This is allegedly what they say. If they cut corners, what they did was they put in a alloy that looked copper but really doesn't work if you need it. If you needed a ground short or you had an electrical spike, this is causing fires in people's houses. And that's not what you want. So I'm going to put a link below, and it's going to see if you actually are in one of these houses or you're buying one of these houses. But if you're buying a house in Florida or thinking about moving to Florida and you don't know who the builder was, you want to check this out. I want you to avoid the pitfalls that are costly. If you've subscribed here to this channel, you already know I tell it like it is. May not be what you want to hear, but it's the truth. Again, Lennar, D.R. Horton, KB Homes, Dream Finders in Florida, all these home builders in Florida, Meritage Homes, MI Builders, Toll Brothers, Ryan Homes, NVR, all those builders in Florida. The way you can check this is you take a magnet and you put it on that wire, that braided wire that is supposed to be a ground into the ground, and you see it, and then it's got a clamp on it. It's supposed to be copper, 100% copper. What they're saying in this lawsuit here is that they cut corners, they cut it out, and instead of a full copper ground, this is an alloy. It looks copper on the outside, but if you take a magnet to it, it should not stick, right? So, does this make sense to you? Have you ever heard this before? This is brand new. I had never heard this before, but like I say, a viewer here on this channel brought this to my attention and put this in the mail, this lawsuit, to let me know and to let you know so that you can avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So give me a thumbs up with that, please. Say something in the comments. Let me know. I just want to make sure that you're making the smartest decisions that you possibly can and you're avoiding all those pitfalls that are costly. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.